Ever thought of adding Nutella to your coquito? Yes, you heard it right. Nutella, the beloved chocolatey hazelnut spread that has made its way into kitchens and hearts around the globe, is not just for spreading on bread or dolloping on pancakes anymore. It's now finding a new home in our drinks, and not merely in the usual suspects like smoothies or milkshakes. Enter the coquito, a traditional Puerto Rican beverage that's as delicious as it is nostalgic. Known for its sweet, creamy flavor, this delectable drink typically features coconut milk, condensed milk, and rum. It's the kind of beverage that transports you to a warm tropical island with every sip. Now imagine this, merging the rich, nutty goodness of Nutella with the creamy sweetness of coquito. This isn't about reinventing the wheel, it's about adding a delightful twist to it. The Nutella not only complements the coquito's original essence, but also adds a layer of depth with its unmistakable cocoa and hazelnut scent. It's a marriage of flavors that's both novel and nostalgic, reminiscent of childhood treats yet sophisticated enough for adult palates. The beauty of this combination is also in its flexibility. You can adjust the sweetness, add spices like nutmeg and cinnamon, or even experiment with different types of milk. And when it comes to garnishing, the sky's the limit. Whipped cream, chocolate, coconut flakes, caramel sauce, crushed nuts, it's all about making it your own. So, are you ready to add a twist to your favorite coquito? Stay tuned. Scene script. Here's what you need to know to make your very own Nutella coquito. First things first, gather your ingredients. Traditional coquito calls for coconut milk, condensed milk, and of course a splash of rum. But for our Nutella coquito, we're adding a generous dollop of Nutella into the mix. Start by warming up your coconut milk over medium heat. You want it warm but not boiling, so keep an eye on it. Once it's at the right temperature, add in your Nutella, stirring gently until it's fully dissolved. The Nutella will bring a subtle scent of hazelnut and cocoa to your drink, enhancing the natural sweetness of the coconut milk without overpowering it. Next, take your condensed milk and add it to the pot. Stir it well to make sure everything's evenly mixed. Now this is where we balance the sweetness. As delightful as Nutella is, it can make things quite sweet. So if you find your mixture is too sweet for your liking, don't be afraid to add a bit more coconut milk to balance it out. Then, it's time for the rum. The amount you add is completely up to you. Some like a stronger kick, while others prefer a more mellow flavor. Stir it well to ensure the rum is evenly distributed throughout your drink. Now, let's talk about customization. You can add a sprinkle of nutmeg or cinnamon to give it a warm, spicy touch. Different types of milk can also be used to change up the flavor profile. Try almond milk for a nuttier flavor, or oat milk for a creamier texture. And finally, the garnish. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Top off your Nutella coquito with a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate, some coconut flakes, a drizzle of caramel sauce, or even some crushed nuts. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to garnish. It's all about what you enjoy. Give everything one final stir and pour it into your favorite glass. And voila! You've got yourself a Nutella coquito, but we're not done yet. Let's recap the journey of our Nutella coquito. We've discovered how Nutella's rich, nutty, and chocolatey essence can be perfectly woven into the traditional Puerto Rican drink, coquito. We've walked through the process of making this delightful concoction, starting with a base of coconut milk, condensed milk, and rum, then adding a generous dollop of Nutella. And we've explored how you can customize your Nutella coquito with a range of garnishes and spices, creating a drink that truly reflects your palate. So there you have it, a deliciously nostalgic Nutella coquito. Give it a try, and you'll never look at coquito the same way again.